Hi, my name is Bart and welcome to Canal Flannel. Today I've got a short presentation on the new Golden Eagle Kel-Tec KSG pump action shotgun. So it's a gas-powered shotgun. We've got a gas reservoir in the stock. It's powered with those 30 BB shells and it is a pump action gun. So I've set up a target at 15 meters. Let's see how this shoots.